Hi guys, Bill Barnes with Performance Automotive here in Bountiful. Last year we had a donation. We built a Bronco, 1984 Bronco, and we traveled that around in support of the Red Barn Academy. At the end of the season, we raffled that vehicle off and took the proceeds from the raffle and gave it as a donation to the Red Barn Academy and the good works they're doing there. This year, what are we doing? We're tripling it. We got the Traveling Trio. We got a 1964 F100 we're doing as a retro mod. Behind me, you can see the project. Number two, we're doing a 1974 Toyota pickup truck that'll be a street racer. And number three, we're doing a Honda Civic Si 2002. So look forward to visiting with you in the coming weeks about these projects and more. Thank you for tuning in.
Hi everyone, my name is Toppy Petsuk. I'm here with Red Barn Academy. We'd like to thank Performance Automotive for their contribution last year, and we are teaming up with them again this year to support our cause here at Red Barn Academy. Red Barn is a 2-year life skill academy for men who struggle with homelessness, addiction, and criminality. I myself have been here for 2 years and have signed on for a 3rd year to give back to what was given to me, and that was my life back.